Hello, if you want to track your heart rate using Redmi Watch 5 Active, first of all, you will have to go for apps and you will have to turn on this application. Now, what you have to do is just to put your watch on the wrist, and you have to be sure that you actually get snug fit to stick sensors with your skins. And now you have to just wait for measuring. As you can see, in my case, it's even not detected because I just put the device like too high. So I should actually get it the same position like with Apple Watch, so above my bone wrist. So I can try to do this one more time. I'm gonna put it a little bit lower. There we go. And as you can see, I've got around 95 beat rate per minute right now. Now it drops around 80, 70. Now it goes for even 71. So I'm not sure if it is accurate, because she goes like super fast between 95 and 71. But yeah, but that's actually how you can check this. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.